Alright, we are back at the North Canadian River right now. Uh, Trying this new bait and see what happens. Well, luckily I caught that, but I almost sent it straight into some wood, which would have not been fun. Maybe this one I just need to reel it really slow. I've been trying to figure out how this one works well. Honestly, I'm just not understanding it. So I'm gonna try and go really slow because when I go super fast, it brings the bait all the way up to the top water and it makes it not swim well. And that's not what I want because I want it to look like it's alive. I want a big fish to come after it and eat it. And I don't know if you can see it, but literally when it goes into that water, it wants to go sideways, which maybe that's what they want it to do, but I don't want it to do that personally. I would much rather it just swim. But we'll keep on keeping on.